Do you feel shy to speak English? Let's fix it today.
I am ready. Repeat, I am ready. Can you help me? Repeat, can you help me?
I don't understand. Repeat, I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Repeat, please speak slowly.
Can we go? Repeat, can we go? Let's go. Repeat, let's go. Great, let's continue. I am coming. Repeat, I am coming.
I am busy. Repeat, I am busy. I am free now. Repeat, I am free now. I am tired. Repeat, I am tired. I am happy. Repeat, I am happy. I am hungry. Repeat, I am hungry.
I am learning English. Repeat, I am learning English.
I am at home. Repeat, I am at home.
Great, let's continue.
I am outside. Repeat, I am outside. Come here. Repeat, come here.
What is this? Repeat, what is this?
Go there. Repeat, go there. What is your name? Repeat, what is your name? Sit down. Repeat, sit down. Where are you? Repeat, where are you?
Where are you going? Repeat, where are you going?
Stand up. Repeat, stand up. How are you? Repeat, how are you?
Great, let's continue.
Wait a moment. Repeat, wait a moment.
Can you help me? Repeat, can you help me?
Listen to me. Repeat, listen to me. Do you understand? Repeat, do you understand?
Look at this. Repeat, look at this.
Are you ready? Repeat, are you ready? Try again. Repeat, try again. What do you want? Repeat, what do you want? Tell me. Repeat, tell me. Why are you late? Repeat, why are you late?
Great, let's continue.
Give me a moment. Repeat, give me a moment. Please repeat. Repeat, please repeat. Take care. Repeat, take care. See you later. Repeat, see you later. Well done. Repeat, well done. Keep trying. Repeat, keep trying.
That's okay. Repeat, that's okay.
No problem. Repeat. No problem.
I agree. Repeat, I agree. That's good. Repeat, that's good. I don't agree. Repeat, I don't agree. Great, let's continue.
That's not good. Repeat, that's not good. I like this. Repeat, I like this. I don't like that. Repeat, I don't like that. I will try. Repeat, I will try.
Where are you from? Repeat, where are you from?
Practice daily. You will speak English confidently. Subscribe for more.